All right, in this quick video, we want to show you how to reset any Frigidaire refrigerator. Now, this particular one is a Gallery. It's a French door. And the best way to reset it, the surefire way, is to unplug it from the wall for about 10 minutes. So if you can't unplug it from the back, what you can do is go to the circuit board in your home. So for example, here, I'll find refrigerator, which mine's right here, fridge, and then I'll go to the adjacent one here, and then I'll turn it off from the circuit board and just go back and make sure it's off, and then give it about 10 minutes, and then that should do a full reset on your Frigidaire. Now, there's a few things that you can do. You can, one thing is you can reset your filter by just holding these down, the filter and the water filter and the air filter, just by holding it down like this. Well, for 5 seconds. And then if you have crush, you can hold that down for 5 seconds. That could reset it. And if you have the stop start button on the control panel, that'll sometimes also reset it depending on your model. All right, thanks for watching.